Hello, this is Jakub Szymanuszka from OBDSERWIS. Today I will show you how to open this kind of Porsche key. This is key for Porsche MLB vehicles such as Cayenne after 2018, Panamera or 911. So first of all we need to take a look on rear side of key. Here we have blade to emergency open the car. We need to remove it, for example this kind of tool. And then we need to remove both parts of key, left and right. Best way to do it is take a look here and insert this kind of special tool or just flat screwdriver. Insert here and detach this element. Okay, remove one part, another part. When we have both parts of key removed, we have a round panel here, and this is now closed. To open, we can use, for example, blade, insert here and turn left. Now we can remove this panel and we will see battery here. This is CR2032 battery. We can just remove it and replace. Now we can take new battery. Insert new battery to key this side up. Just put it in slot. Take this part again. Now place at this side line of blade. We can use once again, for example, blade, and turn now in right side. New battery is installed. We can simply check working of key by just press one button. If we can see highlighted Porsche logo, everything is okay. Now we assemble all in reverse. So first we need to move this part here and just insert to the middle of key. One side and the other side the same. Okay, and at the end we can insert emergency blade into slot of key. Now everything is okay. This kind of keys not need any synchronization with the car. All should works properly. Thanks for watching.